How to say passwords on your Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Google Chrome on your device. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu box appears where you have to select Settings option. Once you're on this page, you simply need to select the Basics section and tap Google Password Manager. And then you will see all the list of the passwords that you have saved on your Android. But if you don't have any, you can easily create any passwords and save your passwords on Google Password Manager by tapping Add Password button. But before that, make sure you have toggled the button on in order to save passwords on your Google Password Manager. To view any of those, first of all, you need to verify your identity entering your biometrics or fingerprints. And then you are on this page, you can easily tap on I like button and see your saved passwords of Roblox. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.